Hi everyone. Today's topic is how to build consistency and stay motivated. Have you ever started something with excitement? Going to the gym, learning a new skill, or working on a dream project, only to stop after a few days or weeks? If yes, you're not alone. Most people struggle not because they lack talent or opportunity, but because they can't stay consistent and eventually lose motivation. Let's take a journey through a story that might just change the way you think about discipline, consistency, and motivation. The story of Aisha, the girl who learned the power of consistency. Aisha was an ordinary young woman with extraordinary dreams. She wanted to become a professional writer, but like many people, she had a problem. She would start something with passion, then slowly lose interest, get distracted, or give up when things got tough. She had tried writing several times in the past, a blog, a short novel, even poetry, but none of her projects were completed. One evening, while scrolling on her phone, she came across a quote: "You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems." James Clear. Something clicked. She realized her problem wasn't lack of motivation. It was lack of system and consistency. Step 1. Understanding the truth about motivation. Aisha learned something important. Motivation is like a spark. It's great to start a fire, but you need fuel to keep it burning. She realized that motivation is temporary, but consistency creates momentum. So instead of asking, "How do I stay motivated forever?" Quote, she asked, "How do I keep showing up even when I'm not motivated?" Step 2. Start small. The 10-minute rule. Aisha's mentor gave her a simple challenge. Write for just 10 minutes every day. Not 1 hour, not half an hour, just 10 minutes. Even if you feel lazy, tired, or busy, do it. At first, Aisha laughed. "How can 10 minutes make me a writer?" Her mentor replied, "10 minutes done every day is more powerful than 2 hours done once a week." She decided to try. Some days she wrote 10 minutes. Other days, once she started, she wrote for 30 minutes or even an hour. But the most important thing, she never missed a day. Step 3. Building a routine around her goal. Instead of waiting for free time, she scheduled her writing. Every day at 7 p.m., she would make tea, sit at her desk, and write. She didn't think, "Do I feel like writing today?" Quote, she just followed the schedule. Slowly, writing became part of her life, just like brushing her teeth or having breakfast. Step 4. The secret of environment. Aisha also learned that her environment shapes her behavior. She removed distractions, turned off phone notifications, kept her writing desk clean, used noise-cancelling earphones to block noise, and she added positive triggers, kept her favorite notebook and pen ready, played soft music that helped her focus. Her brain now associated her desk and tea with writing time. Step 5. Tracking progress. To keep herself accountable, Aisha kept the habit tracker, a simple calendar where she marked an X every day she wrote. She promised herself never to break the chain. After 2 months, she looked at her calendar and felt proud. 60 days without a break. That visual progress became a huge motivator. Step 6. Dealing with low motivation days. Even with all these steps, there were days Aisha didn't want to write. She was tired, upset, or busy. On those days, she reminded herself of 2 rules. Do something, even if it's small. Even if she just wrote 1 paragraph, it was better than nothing. Never miss twice. If she missed 1 day due to emergencies, she made sure the next day she came back stronger. Step 7. Finding inspiration. To keep her passion alive, she read books by her favorite authors, joined an online writing group, shared her work with friends for feedback. Seeing others working hard inspired her to continue her journey. Step 8. Celebrating small wins when Aisha completed her first shot. Story: after 90 days, she treated herself to her favorite dessert. She realized, celebrating progress keeps your journey joyful. 6 months later, the result: 6 months passed. Aisha had written 120 pages, more than she had ever written in her life. She wasn't perfect, and some days her writing wasn't great. But she had built the most important skill: consistency. Her biggest lesson: motivation starts the journey, but consistency finishes it. Practical tips for you to build consistency and stay motivated: set clear goals. Know exactly what you want to achieve. Start small, build momentum with easy wins. Make it a routine: same time, same place every day. Remove distractions, your environment matters. Track your progress, use a habit tracker or journal. Never miss twice, forgive yourself once, but not twice. Stay inspired, read, listen, and surround yourself with like-minded people. Celebrate small wins, keep the journey enjoyable. Final message: motivation is like a seed. Consistency is the water and sunlight that make it grow. If you want to achieve anything, fitness, writing, business, learning a skill, stop waiting for motivation to magically appear. Build a system, create small habits, and commit to showing up every day. As Aisha proved, you don't have to be the most talented person to succeed. You just have to be the most consistent. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. So, the next time you feel like quitting, remember, the small effort you make today will build the future you dream of tomorrow.